Where did they go?
Aileen and Brad?
Yeah.
Right there. Brad's right there. I don't know where the kids went.
We're gonna lose Kaylin.
They haven't answered phone. I can call.
Hey, these are like. Are these as good as Disney or what, huh? Whoa. Hey, this is actually not a bad view. We got Kayleen, we got Brad, Lisa. Hey, we found a good spot, eh? Yeah.
Everybody's parked on the south side. They go to see jack shit.
Yeah. We can never see parked on the road.
I like those fuzzy ones.
How's it cool?
Is she in front?
Yeah.
Well, she was playing up to the pier. Was it the Flyers players? Sounds like a fart. Oh, no.
That's cool.
Do you know what else it is? I think it's the animals.
Yeah.
The animals?
Never mind. Bring the drone. Red and white.
What? Why?
People with dogs don't like this, eh?
We saw a dog whipping down our.
They're always complaining of the fireworks.
We saw a dog whipping down our street last year, like a border collie. We knew it was. Knew whose it was. Because
Yeah.
it was scared. It went through the screen. Just
Oh.
went down the road.
Really panicked, eh?
There's actually a blanket, a weighted blanket. Look, Diane, this is the best place to sit.
Hey, Diane.
You again. This is the best place. I know.
Right?
There's no people around us. This is great.
I know if we get to the car, we can kind of just try and get out before all
You guys know at the end of a concert.
You said you had COVID?
What's that?
You said you just had COVID?
Willow had it 2 weeks ago. 2 weeks ago. This last Tuesday, she had 2 weeks prior. And then I went to work Tuesday in Porter the week after, and I stayed away for Aileen dealt with her.
Yeah.
And I went to work Tuesday at Porter, but there was a really sick patient in the ER.
Yeah.
But she had COVID, and I didn't mask it at all. Like, she was sweating and all that stuff anyway. I went to work Wednesday, put a mask on, and then I had a sore throat. I got home that night, Galen tested me 2 instant lines.
Oh no, right away.
They don't just want to put you in a flying box and bury you in the yard. That's how sick I was.
You were really
It
sick.
took me 5 days to recuperate. I didn't feel better until that following Tuesday when I started.
So it was 5 really bad days.
It was horrible. I had 2 full things of peach juice that big, my
Oh,
water
my.
jug, sore
Jeez.
throat. I had body aches for 3 days. Felt like somebody just rolled over me with a steam bottle.
Oh yeah.
Worse than the first
You've had it before though, right?
Everybody's saying this round was really bad.
This one was the worst one?
Yeah.
eh?
Yep.
You working tomorrow?
I am.
Let's wish. You gotta have a good day working
But
tomorrow.
Galen never caught it, eh?
No, Galen didn't catch it.
That's weird.
Will and I had it this past couple weeks, COVID.
I didn't get it.
You.
Jesus Christ, I tried to.